Level 5. Oh, you know what? When they walk by, it makes you want to cough, like it's that hot.
I seriously want to see the chefs out there.
We're going to start with 5 wings of these level 5 wings and see where we go from here and see who's left standing.
Oh my God.
Boy, that glass of milk looks good. So how are those guys? Are those pretty hot? I'm worried about Shane because he's got to pee. Clayton, how are those? Are those just right? A little hot?
A little hot.
Well, you're going to have to scrub to get that hot sauce out of the mustache because you don't want that left there later. Holy. Shane is working his way through. It's tough. Clayton is right in there as well. They're moving a little slower. Ingrid, how you doing, girl?
Still here.
Ingrid's still here. How about that, huh? And Tim is doing that foot stomp thing on his chair, like God damn. Maybe that's what these ones will be called. A God damn.
My sphincter.
My sphincter, maybe.
That's pretty hot.
He's on, Ingrid. Here's how you can tell if your wings are too hot. Have a look at the TV screen if Don Cherry's jacket isn't black. You guys are all doing a lot better than I thought you would.
I expected a couple more now. They got the sauce.
Wally, is anybody got tears? Anybody got tears yet?
I got tears. Oh yeah.
Tim's got tears. Shane's got tears. Tim's sweating.
I'm only crying because I'm gonna win. There's a good I'm so happy to see Ace.
Oh, we need a new one. He dropped one.
Eat it.
He dropped one. Can we get a new one? Okay.
Done.
Shane's done. Shane's eating his 5. Hey. Clayton's done. Clayton's down his 5. Wow.
My eyes really watering.
Tim, here comes your replacement wing for the one you dropped. While you're watching, making sure those wings are cleaned off. If nothing else, they're all going to be really drunk by the end of this.
God, it's hot.
That's actually a good point. Besides the hotness, can you still taste the wings? Or is it end of his nose? Somebody towel. Wally's a towel boy. How's Ingrid doing there, Wally?
You okay?